Alright, hey YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to be installing the screen protector on the BMW S1000Rr TFT screen. This is the screen protector, what it looks like. It's a lot like a cell phone screen protector, meaning that it has two tabs, which is going to say the back, another tab that's going to say the front, and that's how it's going to go. Let me turn this off so we can actually see the screen itself. Now, I did purchase this on Amazon through a company called Mojiko.com, and it looks like that. So it comes with two of the screen protectors. Motorcycle dashboard screen protector, that's what it says. It says it has 9H hardness, whatever that means. It's ultra clear, scratch resistant, which is a key factor in this. Fingerprint resistant, shatter proof, bubble free, of course. They all say that, but let's put this to the test and see if it actually works. Now, it does have two screen protectors, so if I mess up one of them, I have another one that I can work with. Now, it did have a wet wipe that it comes with, just an alcohol wipe, so I used that to clean the screen, and then I used the provided pad here just to get it a little bit more clean and dry it off, of course. So that looks pretty good. Now, you don't want to use any harsh chemicals, harsh abrasions, not abrasions, but solutions like Windex, because this type of screen, they put a coating on it. It's like a scratch resistant coating on the screen itself. So harsher chemicals, it's going to mess it up. You'll see like little bubbles or little scratches, and then you'll be wondering, well, why can't I get rid of that? And it's because you kind of messed up the screen already. So just make sure that what I would do is just use water. Just use regular water or distilled water, if you have distilled water, and then use a microfiber cloth and take it off. Okay, so this is going to be my first attempt at this. Let's see how well we do. But real quick, when you purchase this, don't freak out if the screen doesn't look like the BMW TFT screen. I thought I purchased the wrong one, but it wasn't. It's correct. It's the right size. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out. Just going to take one of these out. Oh, hold on. You know what this is? This also comes with it. Is this a sticker? I don't know what this is. It's sticky, but not like tape. It's not like tape. So what is this? Cloth fiber to make sure screen is free of dust and dirt possible. Reapply screen protector. Peel off the protective layer. Paste the screen protector. Blah blah blah. I don't know what this is. If anybody knows what this is, let me know. I guess it could be tape. If it is tape, what you'll do is you're just going to do this. Just take off all of the fine dust particles that you can't see, but you'll definitely see it once it's on because the screen will show everything. So maybe, okay, I guess that's what it is. It's tape. It's just weird. It's like really thin. It doesn't look like regular Scotch tape. So I'm just going to do that. Part of this, like that little part, I don't know if that comes up on the screen, but that's a scratch. Yeah, that's a scratch. And I just smeared it with my finger. So hold on. All right, so I think that's about as good as it's going to get. So, also too is that it says it's a glass screen protector. Doesn't feel like glass to me, but who knows? So what we're going to do is we're going to get this back, and I'm just going to peel it off. Okay. I'm not going to touch any part of it. That looks okay to me. Okay, so now I'm just going to use my finger and just smooth out all of the air pockets. You can see the air pockets too. I see some bubbles right there. Let's hope I'm able to get it out. There it goes. Okay, I see another air pocket right here. Just gonna smooth it out. I'm not pressing down super hard. You don't want to mess up the screen, but just move it. Move it to the side. You can feel it pop like a little bubble burst once it gets to the end. Now, once I take off this protective screen, if it was that easy, then this is going to be really cool. But let's see. Another air pocket right there. Also, if there's air pockets when I lift the screen, I believe I should be able to use my nail or so to lift it up, pull the screen up, and then do this, kind of like this type of motion to bring the air out. But we'll see what it does. Okay, that looks good. The edges look all right. I'm going to get this part here, the front, and just peel it off. Oh, wow. Move that there. Oh, wow. Looks good. Okay, so you see how there's little bubbles? You can actually just squeeze them out. Just exactly what I was doing. Not bad at all. I'm actually impressed with this. Now I see that little, that could be dust, or it could be a little air bubble. Or, actually just smooth it out. And it looks, I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about that. But hold on. I'm going to turn this on. There we go. No, I'm happy with it. I mean, yeah, it looks pretty good. Not bad at all. It was easy to put on. I see that part there. I can probably lift it up if it really bugs me, but it's not necessary. That part's okay. But no, it looks good. If that little tiny part bugs me a lot, I have the second one that I can use. But the first thing that I would do there is lift it up with my nail and then either put a piece of Scotch tape in there to grab that dust particle and pull it out, and then that should help it. And then just keep on doing a smooth motion with your thumb or your finger so it pulls all the air out. But you know what? That looks good enough for me. So there you have it. So this is the Mogico, M-O-G-I-C-O. The Mogico glass. You see how it says nano glass? You can't really bend it, but it is bendable, if that makes any sense. If you bend it too hard, it's going to crack and break. It doesn't feel like glass. It feels more like a hard plastic. But I like this look. Doesn't look bad at all. Now, of course, we'll see how it looks like in the glare when it's in the sun. But yeah, not bad at all. All right, YouTube. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions as far as how I put in the installation or where I got it at, I'll try to put a link in the description so you can check it out. And again, thank you so much for watching, and take care.